Hello and welcome to the tutorial for the repertory piece on page 43 in the Preparatory Class Piano Resources book, Debbie's First Date Ends in Disaster. To master this piece, you first have to practice the hands separately. This tutorial will be for the right hand part. The piece is in the key of C major, so there are no sharps or flats in the key signature. Consequently, only the white notes on the piano are used. For the first 9 measures, the right hand will be in an A hand position, so you can play those measures without moving to a different hand position. For the remainder of the piece, beginning in measure 10, the right hand is still in an A hand position, but then it moves down one step at a time from an A hand position to a G hand position, then to an F hand position, and finally to an E hand position. Beginning in measure 2 of the right hand, note the difference between the slur and the ties. A tie connects 2 notes of the same pitch, where the second note is not played again, but you continue to hold the second note down for its full rhythmic value. A slur means to play all notes in that group as smoothly or legato as possible. Regarding the rhythm of the right hand part, keep the 8th note rhythmic value constant throughout the piece. Don't forget to observe the ties. Don't play the second note of a tied group, but do hold it for its full value. Here is a video of the right hand part. Follow along with your own score on page 43.